I-beam construction, but it's rotted. 50 years of rot, at least 25 to 50 years of rot. Look, it's not even connected to there anymore. Major rust jacking of 1 inch plus. Rust jacking and all the connections, stringer connections. Look at that piece right there. See how it's rotting? So this is a 75 to 100-year-old structure. Has not seen a paint job in at least 25, if not 50 years. The gusset on the corners all rotted out. Pieces have broken off. Look, it's lifted. This whole platform here is sitting on an I-beam with an angle. The angles are all rotted out, and it's already lifted. It's already lifted here, already lifted up out of the way. Life safety concerns on this floor. Again, I believe this is a bathroom similar to the 4th floor. Can't have an egress out of a bathroom. You have to work that out and